chapati stir fry. Mmm. Wow. The crunch from the veggies is absolutely incredible. We have umami flavor, and generally the stir fry is totally worth it. So if you have some leftover chapati in your kitchen and you don't know how to make a dish out of the chapati, try out this easy and simple chapati stir fry recipe. To make this recipe, you'll need 2 chapatis, and of course you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more for a couple more people. Now you'll start off by shredding your chapati. This is the size that I've gone for. Also, you prep up some onions, coriander, carrots, assorted peppers, and you'll need 2 eggs. So I'm going to start off by cracking my eggs in my bowl. Next, you're going to add in a pinch of black pepper, which I absolutely love because it's going to add in so much flavor. Add in a pinch of salt. Use a fork to whisk in the eggs, and at this point, we're going to get straight into making our stir fry by placing a pan over medium low flame. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to crumble your eggs. So I'm going to add into my pan, pick my spatula and scramble the eggs. You don't have to cook your eggs until they're rubbery. So after around 45 seconds, you're going to transfer to a plate. Add in 1 tablespoon of more cooking oil. Add in 1 medium onion that is diced. This is a super fast recipe, so you have to prep up all your fresh ingredients before you start cooking your stir fry. You're going to saute your onion for around a minute until translucent, and at this point, you're going to throw in the rest of the veggies. So I'll start off with 2 medium shredded carrots, add in my assorted peppers, crack in some chili flakes and some more black pepper. Toss the veggies and cook for around 30 seconds. You don't want to overcook the veggies because they are going to lose taste, and also they are going to lose the color, especially the green capsicum. So once the veggies are softened up, it's time to add in our sauce, and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, which is going to add in so much flavor. Add in a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And because the sauces are high in sodium, there's no need to add in some more salt, but you can check to make sure everything is well seasoned. You can see the veggies have softened up and everything is looking perfect. So now I'm going to add in my shredded chapati. Stir in. Just look at that. Add back my eggs, and using my spatula, I'm going to toss everything together. After adding in your chapati and eggs, you're going to cook for around a minute so that the chapati and egg can soak in the nice flavors from the soy sauce, the chili, the black pepper, and the kitchen is going to be smelling absolutely incredible. And because you don't want to overcook your veggies, after around a minute of stir frying your chapati, it's time to serve. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water. Don't add in too much because the chapati is going to turn out soggy. And after a minute, it's time to garnish with some coriander, toss, and serve. I've been enjoying my delicious chapati stir fry, and it's totally worth trying because it's loaded with lots of protein, veggies, and umami flavor. You can serve the chapati stir fry with a cold passion juice or any juice of your choice, and each bite is going to be so delicious.